Once upon a time, high on a hilltop, there was a quaint little town. On this special day, the townsfolk were making preparations for a feast in honor of King Grammar, who had traveled many, many miles to visit.
Good day, it is I, King Grammar. I have traveled many, many miles to visit you.
Yay!
Welcome, King Grammar. My name is Prince Dandelions. Prince Dandelions is honoured that King Grammar has come to visit on King Grammar's noble steed, Traveller.
Thank you, Prince Dandelions. This feast looks delicious.
Before King Grammar eats, let Prince Dandelions introduce Prince Dandelion's royal chef, Chef Alfresco. Chef Alfresco has created a feast fit for a king.
Chef Alfresco prepared many of Chef Alfresco's favorite dishes for King Grammar to enjoy. Chef Alfresco hopes that King Grammar is hungry.
Famished.
Before King Grammar indulges in Chef Alfresco's royal feast, let Prince Dandelions introduce you to Prince Dandelion's royal players. Crystal Clare, Hugh Morris, Ricochet, and Ted E. Bear. Hugh plays the cello. The cello that Hugh plays is very special to Hugh, because Hugh's cello was given to Hugh for Hugh's birthday. Crystal likes to play Crystal's viola for Crystal's family.
Have you good people ever heard of pronouns? As wonderful as your nouns are, you could save a lot of words and time using pronouns. You see, pronouns are simply words that you can use in place of a noun.
What kind of words?
I, he, we, she, us, it, and you. Them, those, they, that, just to name a few. Pronouns are wonderful little words you all can use. Now he can cook his feast, they can play their music, and we can eat our dinner.
Prince Dandelions thinks Prince Dandelions understands. Rather, I think I understand.
Me too.
We do too.
Yes, you are all getting the hang of it. I think I will have some of this and a little of that.
And so, having been introduced to pronouns, Prince Dandelions, Chef Alfresco, Crystal Clare, Hugh Morris, Rick O'Shea, Ted E. Oh, right, pronouns. And so, they all lived happily ever after.